What's up, everybody? I'm on my way to my shop, my barber suite. I am finna to cut some hair there. I gotta go cut some hair. That's gonna start off my day. I'm finna show y'all what it look like inside my barber suite. So y'all hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and tune in. Let's get to my suite. Alright, I just got done cutting some hair and I'm finna go get something to eat, man, from Noodles and Company. I'm finna wait on one more haircut. That should be all my haircuts for the day, man. And I'm gonna chill and pretty much work out or something, you know, keep the day going, man. This is my suite. You feel me? Got the bag and stuff, you know. This is the travel bag where I, you know, bring this thing everywhere. Got everything in there. You feel me? Got all the clippers and stuff in there. You know, they got like the spray, got the sprays and stuff. You know what I mean? They got like, I got the brushes, the combs, and everything in there. That's pretty much the travel bag. Oh, and I got like other accessories in here, like plastic guards, hair clips, razors, you know, all the extra little gadget stuff. I done had this same table since I was a little homie, you know what I'm saying, like early in middle school. Also this same barber chair right here. So I've been having these both over like 10 years. A piece, little history, but like this video and let's go get something to eat. Buzz, I ain't even gonna lie. It's like some new stuff. I don't know. I'll mess with this. This is gonna be my #1 meal every time I go to Noodles and Company. I just came to Five Below to get some snacks, wasting money. I might want some Pringles. Oh, look. I'm gonna get these and try.
We'll get haircuts in here.
Yep.
Yeah, really? Yeah.
Well, our team barbershop.
Team Barbershop.
Yeah. This is pretty cool.
Fire.
The boy Funnyant will pull up cuts like I said earlier.
I am here at a professional soccer player for the Minnesota United professional soccer team to cut his hair, so I'm on the way to go cut him right now. I am here at the Minnesota Gophers game. The men's basketball team is like a little exhibition. We here at the game now. I'm in the parking lot trying to find a parking spot. Yeah, come to support my boys, you know, Team Barber status. $10, damn.